Yo, what is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can charge your AirPods without a case. So, if you're like me, and you probably are, if you're watching this video, you guys lost your AirPod case. For me, I was stocking the coolers at my job, and I literally dropped them. No clue where they went. I dropped them, it's like they went into another dimension. So I started looking for like different ways I could charge my AirPods, because I'm not dropping $70 on a case for $110 headphones. Then I found this app right here. This is AirPods Charger app. So Apple actually can send like signal to your AirPods that charge them, except it's kind of like a new developer feature. It's not something that you can really access on the App Store quite yet, but I actually found a version of the app on a website called WeTweak, and it works. It works on your iPhone. Let me show you exactly how to do it. Okay, guys, so as you can see right here, we have the AirPods Charger app right here downloaded, ready to go on my iPhone. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up, and they should have already, they detected to my AirPod 3 third gens, which is dope. And as you can see right here, I just hit this start charging button. Boom, AirPods connected and charging, battery at 68%. So they are now charging, and it should take a little while for them actually to go up, just because this signal isn't super duper strong, but it does work, and especially if you do it like overnight, it sends a decent amount, like it fully charges your AirPods for sure, and then they work all day, you're good, no stress. So yeah, I mean, obviously the best way to charge them is just gonna be with a case, but this totally works just as well, guys. So let me show you exactly how you're gonna get it. You're gonna need these two apps right here, being any internet browser, doesn't have to be Safari, although I would probably recommend using Safari, and then just your settings app. So let's go ahead and open up our settings app and go to the battery section. So since you're going to be sending some battery back and forth, you're going to want to make sure that your low power mode for this download and for any time that you actually use the app is turned off. Your low power mode needs to be turned off. If your low power mode's turned on, not going to be powerful enough to actually send the battery from one AirPod to the other, nor will it be powerful enough to actually install and download the AirPods Charger app. So we're just not even going to worry about it. So just make sure that the low power mode is turned off, and then we can go ahead and move on with our day by hopping into the general. In general here, we should see background app refresh. And your screen should look exactly like mine, with every single one of these notations turned on, and your background app refresh being selected to on. Now, how you select your background app refresh to on is by selecting the Wi-Fi and cellular data section right here, where it should just now be on, right there. Wi-Fi also works, except it will display the word Wi-Fi. Both of those are good and will work just as fine as long as it is not the word off. If it's the word off, it is not going to work at all because it's going to be turned off, and we can't have it turned off for this download. So we're just going to go ahead and click Wi-Fi and cellular data, and we're going to go ahead and move on with the rest of this download process. The first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and open up WeTweak.co. WeTweak.co. This is essentially like a hacked version of the App Store, to put it in so many words, and essentially one of the things you can do is install the AirPods Charger app. Now this total install should take no less than 60 seconds. No greater than 60 seconds. It will definitely probably take about 1 minute to finish the rest of this install process. And what it is downloading is something called a configuration profile, which we'll hop into our settings after and configure to make into our hacked app. But first off, we need to approve the configuration profile download, which can be confirmed by a little spinny circle of success, and then a little load up there, and then our notification right there, which we'll go ahead and hit allow on, and that profile has now been downloaded, which is exactly what we wanted to see, exactly what we wanted to hear. We are happy campers. So after that, guys, we're going to go ahead and go back into our settings app for one last little configuration in our VPN and device management section. Right here, you should see the AirPods Charger app under downloaded profiles. Go ahead and open that up and hit the install button in the top right corner. Then type in your phone's unlock password, just the regular password you use to unlock your phone. It's got no special permissions, which is exactly what we want. We don't want it to have any special permissions. And there's no profile signed. The profile is not signed. If you see something saying a profile is signed or the profile is signed, go ahead and restart the video and just kind of continue to do the process over again. It essentially will just be a little glitch with one of the settings that you configured on your phone, so just go ahead and start over and it shouldn't happen again. But like 95% of the time, the profile is not signed. Go ahead and hit that install button again, and then hit done. And if I am not correct, or not incorrect, yeah, boom, boom. Airpods Charger app is downloaded and ready to go on our iPhone, Android, iPad, whatever you guys have it on for free. Yeah, works. It's awesome, guys. Enjoy.